Y'all, can you believe this is where we woke up? This condo in Phuket is amazing. Still by far one of the best Airbnbs I've ever stayed at. I do apologize for the delay. I know it's been a while, especially since I hit y'all with a Thailand video. But anyway, we finessed breakfast from the hotel across the street. They just assumed we were guests there, so you know, we came ready to pay, but they assumed, so who are we to tell them now? Then we grabbed to the Phuket boat party. We just got to the check-in for the boat party, and Ariel and I are the only females we see. Like, we knew we was gonna be the only black girls, but we didn't think we was gonna be the only girls, period. So we're a little nervous, but we're gonna set our boundaries and have a good time.
I'm gonna apologize in advance. You probably came here for a real relaxing day.
Yeah. Swear to God, Keisha, we're on that fucking.
That's a transporter.
All right, this kind of fire.
What the fuck did you book that?
Hey y'all, I'm in this hot ass restaurant. I just had to show y'all what it was like because it's easier than explaining. But ain't no aircon down there. It's like a bunch of porta potties lined up. So I've been trying to hold it as long as I can and go as few times as I can. But yeah, we out here. weren't the only girls. After all, the boat party was lit. Y'all, I wanted to slow-mo some of those videos because at the end it got wild, but I ain't trying to get banned from YouTube, you know. But here it is. Next morning we went to go grab breakfast. We had to kind of do it in a hurry because Ariel had to catch her flight out later that afternoon. I did want to go back to the all-you-can-eat free breakfast, but um, instead we ended up at On the Rock. We had to get a tuk-tuk there, and it was like you had to go through a whole trek in the jungle just to get to the restaurant. But look at these views. It was well worth it. The food was not worth it. Like, there was basically a set menu and there was very limited things on it. You can see there. I didn't even order anything. I ended up just getting a coffee, and y'all, they tried to charge me the full buffet price just for a coffee. It was ridiculous. But yeah, the views were nice. I would have just gone there just to go to the beach. The On the Rock restaurant was not all that. And then we got lost on the way back. I thought I found a back way to get to our hotel. Google Maps told us to go this way, but there was like a lot of gates and private properties that we weren't really supposed to go through. But we thought we had it until we arrived and this gate was there. Literally, our hotel is right across the street. I was ready to jump the gate, but this dude on a bike told us that we couldn't, so we had to go the long way. Scenic route though, saw a lot of shops. But yeah, definitely had a good HALLOWEEKEND in Phuket, and I'm excited to show you what else I did. Thanks for staying tuned.